Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is FX. So today I just found myself on Westlands in Nairobi, Kenya, and I just had to actually give a overview about Westlands, especially in Sarit Centre. I went. It was a very good day. I decided to vlog it, and it was so nice that I was having a wonderful time in Sarit Centre, and I was having some meeting with my fellow friends. So it was actually on a busy day because today was actually on a Wednesday. All right. So we met very many people who are actually, so it was a business day actually as usual. And I had to give a very good review of Westlands, Nairobi, Kenya. And right now I gotta see, I just found that Westlands right now is being dominated by the forex brokers. So very many people are actually having brokerages firms in Westlands, and I just found that it's a very good thing. Actually, we are actually dominating in Nairobi, Kenya, and that's a very good thing, especially in Nairobi. If we are advancing the forex markets and the firms, it's a very good thing. So it's a very good motivation to beginners and everybody like us who are trying to navigate the markets and getting out of this kind of matrix we're talking about, all right, especially in Nairobi, Kenya. So it's so good actually. So we are able to tackle on this analysis. So I was here meditating and seeing everything around Westlands, and it's so nice. You understand? And it was so nice, you can say. And with the real estate part of it, it's so beautiful. We got very many houses that are being.
We want to analyze the market how it was being, right? The market was actually on a downtrend. You can see the market was on a downtrend. It respected the one of the things we call the institution resistance. We had market back before here. So I want you to learn the seven institution reference points that's actually all over again in the forex market. So right now here, we can see that the market here, the the sellers were actually in the position of the market, and the market pushed downwards till it reached this point. They were no longer in a position to continue, but they continued. So there was some change of course, and it created consolidation of the market here, right? So and it continued to push market down here, creating a gap, a fair value gap that is a very big one, right? A fair value gap is one of the most known seven institution points because we can say that a fair value gap is actually respected by the fair price, right? So if you understand what it takes to understand the ICT concepts, it's something that is very important for you, right? So this is a fair value gap, right? It's an imbalance in the market caused by a sharp or one-sided price movement. That's something you should know. Leaving a price range where fear or not trade occurred. So this is actually a three kind of pattern creates a gap. It's a gap like this one is a gap. Since this is a gap right there. Let me create for you a good gap. For example, yes, let me create a gap right now here. Let me show you. Let me show you. Yes, let me clone it. Yeah, yes. Okay. All right. This is the very good that I'm talking about. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Sorry for the drawings. Yeah. So look up this one and this one. All right. So the price must respect the fair value gap. We've said it is an imbalance in the market caused by a sharp or one-sided price movement. Okay, because it was on downtrend. So the price action will always come to recover that fair value gap. And yeah, it happened. Look at this, right? So I wanted to show you how the fair value gaps are actually important into the trading sector. All right, let us go to switch down to the 1 hour time frame. Yes, you can see. So if you see in the 1 hour time frame, you can see that there was how. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I want to show you this one. Look at this. Look at this. Yes, it went down. Market pushed downwards, right? And there was a change of character here. Look at this change of character. When you see a change of character and creation of fair value gap, it this is a change of market structure, right? Markets shift, all right? It went upwards again, and it pushed upwards, creating fair value gaps. So I want to show you how fair value gap was created here, and where you can smart and clearly enter your own trades. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you very carefully here. Look at this one. I want to show you how we usually trade here. How we usually trade. Look at this. That's 1 hour time frame. You can mark it. It's a very good one. So here, let us go. If you mark that one, let's go now to the 30 minutes time frame. Or let's just go to the strictly to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay. Yes. Yes. Now we marked it very clearly the fair value gap, right? It was a good fair value gap. Let me show you. It was this one, right? Yeah, this one was a fair value gap. This one is a market imbalance. I want to mark it very carefully so that you may see how it can be. It is the price action. So this is actually a very good one as a bullish fair gap because during an upward price move, so the first candle high and the third candle high do not overlap. And this is the space that I'm talking about that is created. Created a space that between them, and the market seeks to reverse this level in gap. So this means that it signifies an imbalance. All right. It shows a lack of equilibrium between buyers and sellers as one-sided pressure overwhelms the other. Understand? That is an imbalance on the buy side, right? So these gaps are actually often a result of large orders from major institutions, indicating strong market forces. So if you make a market, you need created there's occasional an imbalance in the market structure shifts. Right? Here you can mark this place. I'm only good at drawing, but you can try to draw some things here. Yes. Let's see. Let me try. Yes. Perfect. Okay. Okay. So this one, you just need to wait for the market to come retrace it back because the market, okay, the price will come will as will visit this level to fit the visited actually over 50%, right? And later buys marked out that this one is let me show you. It's a what? it's an uptrend. So if you mark this one, this fair value gap, clearly you can understand that the market will, it has created a very good confluence. Let me show you. This is a very good confluence of the market. Here. So you can see that this is an uptrend, right? And there's a created there was created an equilibrium. That means that buys are in control of the market. Okay, and they're actually creating that pressure, right? And it's for the institution, for them it's actually a large order. So you can just create an entry point here and mark out a good and fine entry point. So let us see how we can create, right? Yep. Look at it. Look at this one. So you can enter the market hand on buys here, this place, and target this fair value gap, or we call it a sell side liquidity. Okay, there's a liquidity that is actually here, so you can target it very carefully. All right, I want to show you how the price action will always do. Let me show you.